could hear the chirping of the bird life. Last night I went to sleep outside. I was thinking about a girl I met a while back. I don't know her and I hardly called her name. She's not from here, I don't know where she comes from. I'd like to find her. Maybe sometime take her to the lake house. Maybe sometime ask to be heard. It's been a pretty shitty couple of years. When COVID first hit, as you can imagine, we lost all of our work for the foreseeable future in about 48 hours. So I became a full-time dope smoker and PlayStation player. I did a few months on a tractor out there for their sowing season. Anyway, it meant that Sammy and I were living apart for a few months, and I came home and she'd written this song. It's all about, you know, spending a relationship on the telephone, you know, whether you're a miner or a truck driver.
Lay my head on the bed, you waited. Gotta miss your smell, and we almost every night. Jones was asking if you'd shut the gate. So much left to say. Watching service steals our time. Makes it hard to feel love on the line.
It's got a broken body, a lifetime of work, such a guy free. He says, when will you make it rain? Thank you for life on the land. Family and friends, something about that I ain't seen as well since 2010. Still not raining. It's been so long since I found water on the ground. I love writing songs, I love recording music, and that's what I'm fucking addicted to. Thank you so much. Let's do it one more time. Thank you for life on the land. Family and friends, nothing about that I ain't seen a cloud since 2010. Still not raining again. It's been so long since I found